Hello everyone, good day. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay yung mga accredited training centers ng Technical Education and Skills Development Authority or TESDA. A shout out pala kay Ma'am Ann. Thank you so much for the continued support and watching. And I have a concern. Okay, so this is the message. I-vlog unsa ka importante ngano dapat mag-enroll sa isa ka registered na school ang mga students. Unsa benefits madawat nila, especially sa certificate kay daghan man gud ko na notice, especially sa Manila na area nga akong giapilan ako na page, daghan kaayo ga offer og training. Unya mahal kaayo ang mga bayad tapos dili accredited ang school na alang sila sa salon para awareness sad sa uban. Okay, so ito yung ating pag-uusapan and tingnan natin kung ano yung ating ma-research with regards to this matter. On November 15, 2014, Tesda calls for vigilance versus illegal training centers. Secretary Joel Villanueva, Director General of the Technical Education and Skills Development Authority or TESDA, called on workers and students seeking technical vocational training to be more vigilant and check the legitimacy of schools and training center before enrolling. So there was an advisory given to workers and students coming from TESDA last November 15, 2014 with regards to illegal training centers. So that was the advisory. He further said, stressing that the only institution with registered programs and issued certificate of TVET program registration COPR by TESDA are authorized to offer TechVoc programs. He also said that there are always available means for workers and students to verify if the TechVoc institutions are legitimate. So this was the advisory. But for further information about training centers and even assessment centers, kindly check www.testa.gov.ph. Magbalik tanaw muna tayo sa history ng TESDA. Bakit mayroong TESDA? The Technical Education and Skills Development Authority or TESDA was established through the enactment of Republic Act number 7796, otherwise known as the Technical Education and Skills Development Act of 1994. This was signed by law, of course, by President Fidel V. Ramos on August 25, 1994. This act aims to encourage the full participation of and mobilize the industry, labor, local government units, and technical vocational institutions in the skills development of the country's human resources. Now, TESDA is mandated to do the following, but let us focus in number 4, stating developed an accreditation system for institutions involved in middle-level manpower development. Dito pa lang, we can really say na mayroong mga legal and legitimate na mga institutions like schools and training centers na nakapasa sa evaluations and national standard ng TESDA. Naku, dumaan po yan sila sa butas ng karayom bago sila nakapag-operate. And when we say evaluations, there are requirements to be submitted and complied before an institution can give training and assessment to students and trainees who seek for a training, national assessment, and NC2. So careful po tayo if we want to be trained, doon na talaga sa legal and makapagbibigay ng NC2 para sulit ang training at ang iyong pera na nagasta o nabayad. Mahalaga talaga ang ginagampanan ng TESDA sa pag-supervise and monitor sa mga legal schools and training centers or yung ating mga TVIs. Dapat sila ay nakalista at registered talaga sa TESDA. Kasi may mga activities and programs kagaya ng sa DepEd na mayroong JDVP na need ang partnership doon sa mga accredited schools, training centers, or TVI na makapagbibigay ng training, national assessments, and NC2 sa ating mga mag-aaral. DepEd Order Number 035 of 2020 regarding the implementation of JDVP. Number 23 stated that interested private senior high schools, non-DepEd public senior high schools, and TESDA accredited private TVIs shall write a letter of intent to participate in the program. Therefore, kung hindi accredited, hindi ito allowed na mag-operate and mag-participate sa mga trainings and assessments kasi hindi siya legal and hindi legitimate. Hindi siya recognized and hindi siya registered. Ito naman ang mga schools and training centers na registered sa TESDA. For more information about TESDA activities and programs, kindly visit www.tesda.gov.ph. Thank you so much for watching. Sana po ay mayroon tayong natutunan sa video presentation na ito. Mabuhay po and God bless!